and there are contents on which I am going to discuss the modules of image processing, image pre-processing, image classification, image segmentation, and then implementations and results code. First, okay, everybody is having a mobile phone. Okay, right now not here, but at home we will be using. Yes or no? We are using a mobile phone. Are we capturing the pictures? Yes. To upload or to safeguard the memories, we are capturing the pictures. Are we editing the images like crop, zoom, something? We are using it. So it is nothing but an image processing without having any knowledge about the techniques inbuilt, but we are using and we are familiar with that. We are taking the images, we are editing them, right? And we are cropping, zooming, different approaches, and while transmitting, we reduce the size of the image. If it is of more size, we will be compressing the image size, yes or no? So without into the subject itself, we are familiar with these techniques. So these are the techniques. So now, what is an image? Technically, now speaking technically. So how do we define an image? We can capture using a mobile phone or anything. But still, the features which is going to represent us, it depends upon the dimension of the image. If you open your mobile phone and check the properties of the image, then we can find the properties of the image. Like how many rows we have and how many columns we have. What is the point, each, how many type of colors we have. Which is the color spectrum which we visualize. But every point in an image will be having a value. That value is called as a pixel. So here, image is nothing but a two-dimensional representation. Height and width is going to be taken. And here the types of the images particularly which we can observe. That is grayscale image, binary and RGB. Grayscale is nothing but the gray value which is going to be varied from 0, the pixel value 0 to 1. Components in an image. We can extract the features separately. The green color components we can extract, red color components we can extract, and similarly blue color components we can extract. So this is about the basic types of images. One is grayscale and the other one binary, the next one is RGB. These are the basic colors that we have. Now, how do we process the images? Okay, we have captured the image using mobile phone or any equipment we can use and capture the image. But how to process that? And how we will be processing? That is what technically speaking. Like we take the image, we send it to our friends in WhatsApp or Insta or whatever. But how it is happening? The transmission of images is going to be taken. So that is going to be considered. So the process of image using some tools in the mobile, we are enhancing the colors. Yes? So that's what we have been habituated using a mobile phone. But technically, what are the things that we have done? The same blurring effect can be avoided using image pre-processing techniques. Are you cropping the image to the particular content? We will be cropping only to certain corner or only picture of interest. Yes. So that is nothing but we call it as segmentation. So without into the subject, but we are familiar with the things. But now let us know what are the things technically that we will be doing with respect to image processing. Now, how do we capture an image? So if we capture an image, as I mentioned, it is having two conclusions, that is grayscale and two dimensions, height and width. So we have the maximum limit number is 0 to n, that is the value. It is nothing but 250.